Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another Sawal Saturday video. It's one of those on the go Prajakta videos again. As usual, कल शूट करने वाली थी मैं, पर इतनी प्रोडक्टिविटी की एक्सपेक्टेशन ना रखूं। आज जो है अभी हमारा पैकअप हो गया। टुडे वी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड शूटिंग फॉर एन एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट जो अपने जोन में भी है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत नया है एंड इट्स क्वाइट मैसिव। तो आई वाज वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड। आज पहला दिन था जो सक्सेसफुली सही हो गया। वी हैव अ फ्यू मोर डेज कमिंग अप दिस वीक। पैकअप करके अब मैं घर जा रही हूँ। पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि आई डू अ लाइव वीडियो, बट देन आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, लेट्स जस्ट, आई मीन सौरभ हैड सेंट मी अ बंच ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड दीस क्वेश्चंस आई वाज लाइक, चलो लेट्स डू वन ऑफ दीज, यू नो, इन द कार कॉन्वर्सेशन वीडियोस दैट वी हैवंट डन इन अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम। ऑलराइट, let's get into it. We have Maham. Hi Maham. Hi P, how are you? I'm hoping you're fine, or more than fine. I am perfectly fine. Thank you so much Maham, and it makes me very happy that you're fine too. First of all, a huge congrats on launching your... I know! Thank you! My very own merch. I am so excited. Like, this is like the real deal. और मैं रोज टीम से मैसेज, हमारा जो व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप है, मैं मैसेज करती रहती हूँ कि हाउ इज द रिस्पॉन्स, लाइक व्हाट इज द रिस्पॉन्स, व्हाट इज सेलिंग मोर, व्हाट आर पीपल लाइकिंग, एंड आई जस्ट लव गोइंग एंड चेकिंग माई स्टोरीज ऑल द टाइम, लाइक माई टैग्ड स्टोरीज, जिसमें अगर आप लोग कुछ बाय कर रहे हो, लाइक प्री बुक कर रहे हो, तो यूर टैगिंग मी इन दो स्टोरी, इट जस्ट मेक्स मी सो हैप्पी। आई एम जस्ट लाइक, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मनी, स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन समवन इज अ वेरी पर्सनल डिसीजन, यू नो, बिकॉज आप इतनी मेहनत करके, आपके पेरेंट्स इतनी मेहनत करके पैसे कमाते हैं, यू नो, मनी डजंट एवर कम ईजी, एंड व्हेन यू डिसाइड टू स्पेंड इट ऑन समथिंग, आई थिंक यू आर शोइंग अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रस्ट इन दैट थिंग, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज जस्ट like I'm really grateful, so thank you so much. How do you feel about June 2021 birthday month? Arey yaar, pucho mat. Especially the last week of June, I just don't know how to react. Like, I don't know what to do about this. I mean, I knew कि I was expecting, मैं पहले से overwhelmed थी, because I knew that the merch is going to drop on my birthday, and I was like, okay, that's it. And then and then I knew कि चलो 25th June को the Emmys are going to happen, but I was like, चलो fine, all right. And then when I was on my way, we went away for the weekend. When I was on my way to the place that we were going, हमें मैसेज आया कि Tembi, me and Liza, we were on a group on Instagram, and they were like, oh my god, we won, and I was like, what? और उस टाइम पे मैं बैठ के वड़ा पाव चाय पी रही थी, and I was just sitting there and I was like, क्या करूँ मैं, क्या मतलब, how to, it has just been extremely overwhelming. The Ed Sheeran video, oh my god. I remember I wanted to go watch his concert, but I couldn't watch it when he was here, and I told him that, and he was just so sweet. It has been mad, to answer your question. Are you over the fact that you got to... No, I'm not over the fact that I got to talk to Ed Sheeran. How do you come up with designs on your merch? So I work with an extremely capable team. हमारी merch की एक बहुत अलग सी team है जिनके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं, who are very good at their job, and I completely trust them. इस चक्कर में हमारे almost हर 2-3 दिनों में डिजाइनर्स के साथ कॉल्स होते हैं, डिस्कशंस होते हैं, जहाँ पे हम बैठ के डिसाइड करते हैं कि हाउ आई वॉन्ट माई मर्च टू लुक, एंड they suggest what looks good, what sells well, and I think we find a midway. Is there any chance of doing any Mostly Sane accessories in the future too? Yeah, I mean, we're already working on a few things, so yeah. Manasvi Bhatt. Hi Manasvi. I forgot that motto is Prajakta. Thank you. Easy. Your favorite web series? I don't know, maybe Mismatched. Speaking of which, we also start shooting for season 2 very soon. Your favorite movie? I have a lot. Hey, right now I'm also loving Jane the Virgin. I'm watching that. I also love Friends. I love so many web series. My favorite movie, ऐसे एक कभी favorite नहीं है. I love का होना प्यार है. I love जोधा अकबर. I love 3 Idiots. I love लगान. I love दिल चाहता है. I love मुन्ना भाई के दोनों movies. So many. Last movie you watched? मैं ना Jane the Virgin ही देख रही हूँ, तो I don't think... Sherni was the last movie I watched. Oh my god, have you watched Sherni? Must. Soham Runwal. Hi Soham. Hey Prajakta, this is Sia here. Arey, hi Sia. I really hope that you take up. I did. I want to make my sister Sachi's birthday really memorable, and she'll be celebrating her birthday on 6th July. I'd be really grateful. Oh, of course, Sachi. Happy birthday, Baba. I hope you have a great birthday. You're a fellow Cancerian. Have fun. Eat lots of cake like I did on my birthday. I cut my cake and then I only ate it before feeding it to anyone because you deserve it. Okay, it's amazing. Have a great one. Nimisha Patil, hi. How does it feel to get back on set and shoot with your team? It feels amazing. I am so relieved. I mean, honestly, जब मैं पिछले 2-3 महीने when I took a break, मुझे डर लग रहा था कि what if I lose my mojo? What if I just forget what it is to shoot like? What if I can't snap back? But it wasn't like that at all. I mean, we sat down and we started shooting and it went really well. I missed it. Liza Pereira. Hi Liza. Hi P. How did you and Mithila meet? तो मिथिला और मैं आई गेस महाराष्ट्र टाइम्स के लिए एक फोटो शूट कर रहे थे. उनका दिवाली इशू आ रहा था. वी वर बोथ शूटिंग और मुझे बताया गया कि यू हैव टू शूट फोटो शूट करना है विद मिथिला पालकर. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई न्यू हु शी वाज. सिद्धाली और मैं बहुत वी यूज्ड टू लव हर इन फिल्टर कॉपी. वी हैड सीन द कप सॉन्ग एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस वाज आई थिंक लाइक 4-5 years ago for sure. Oh wow, Mitz and I have been friends for a long time. I'm gonna call her tonight. तो हम वहाँ मिले पहली बार और जैसे ही हम मिले we had to share the same, like we were in the same dressing room. और जैसे ही हम मिले बड़े आसानी से बातें शुरू हो गई. मतलब ऐसे किसी तरह की वो नहीं थी दोनों में भी. मतलब neither of us were like nervous to say anything or anything like that. बड़ी आसानी से बातें हुई and then she was like, hey, give me your number, maybe we should catch up. I said, yeah, for sure. उसके बाद एक और मुंबई टाइम्स का एक इवेंट था. सॉरी मुंबई टाइम्स का एक इवेंट था जिसमें हम दोबारा से साथ में थे. Since then we've been inseparable. Honestly, I love her so much. She's one of my favorite people. She's very close. She's also someone I trust and someone I'm very comfortable speaking to and someone who understands, especially around our work क्योंकि हमारा काम इतना similar है. I think it makes a huge difference. But I love Mitz. Raghav Seksaria. Hi, Raghav. Were Ross and Rachel on a break? I mean, yeah, but also no, ना. मतलब सुबह ही तो हुआ है, दिन तो ढलने दो, शाम तो होने दो. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब एक हफ्ता तो रुक जाओ, you know. Ishika said, hi Ishika. Hey Prajakta, my sister's a huge fan of yours. Thank you Ishika's sister. My question for Sawal Saturday is, who is your inspiration? Oh, I've said this many times and I will say it again. I am very blessed with the most amazing people in my life. My parents, my sister, my friends, my team, I think is one of the major sources of inspiration and motivation for me. क्योंकि मैं बहुत बार lost होती हूँ and they bring me back on track. They make sure that I'm okay. माइक पे तो हाथ नहीं आ रहा यार. ये कैसा अजीब पीछे वाला हेडलाइट मारे जा रहा है जब से. No, he's driving like a responsible person. So I think that, and then again I think I genuinely believe that there is so much you can learn from everybody that you meet. Doesn't matter कि वो आपसे उम्र में ज़्यादा है या कम है. I just feel like honestly there is so much you can learn from everyone you meet and it's amazing. Vanshika Kamal. Hi Vanshika. Hi Prajakta. My question is, will you make the second season of Pretty Fit? I don't know. Should I make a second season of Pretty Fit? I have a couple of ideas in mind, but I don't know. I mean, I'll be very honest with you. अभी ऐसे कोई conversations चल नहीं रहे, वरना मैं बता देती. पर अगर कुछ होता है, you'll be the first one to know. Alright, that is all the questions we have for this week's #Sawal Saturday. I'm so glad that I was shooting today. I mean, I'm extremely tired, but I'm very happy right now. And I'm going to go home, अच्छा खासा खाना खा के I'm going to pass out. Thank you so much for watching. How many minutes? 8-9 minutes. Wow. I will see you again next week. If you haven't subscribed, you should do that. I love you. Until we meet. Love. Bye.